Hi, friends. Welcome to our channel, Kids Digital. Before we learn, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.
My friends! Today we will learn about train. Goat, bridge, sheep, yellow. That page, please watch the following video.
Where to now? Right leads to the rolling bridge. Left leads to Titmouse Sheds. The rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Excellent! We all love your train set. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Excellent! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Let's go find that toy! I love that! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the town. We're almost at the town square. Right leads to Cannonball Curve. We're almost at the town square. Excellent! Just slice or tap it to open. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Right leads to the tunnel is nearby. Forward leads to the tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. That's the way! That's awesome! Excellent! We're always happy to help. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the water slide. This adventure box contains an engine. 9, the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Left leads. We're near the pig farm. Let's go. I love that. Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Well done! We're always happy to help.
Okay, my friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you again. Bye. Bye.